Assalamu alaikum. It's again Dr. Naveed Iqbal. So I welcome all of you to the course on modern approach to the concept of chemistry. As you know that some other courses on chemistry are in progress, and among them one of the course is on basic concepts of chemistry. So here we are again we started a new course which is modern approach to the concept of chemistry. So this is an introduction to the course. So how this course is different from the already existing course, which is the basic concepts of chemistry. So let me tell you that here in this course we will be almost studying those concepts. Those concepts will again be studying those concepts which we are studying or which we studied in the basic concepts in chemistry. But here we will study them in a little bit advanced or a modern sort of way. And what actually is the aim of this course? The basic aim is why don't we understand things? So I have tried to design this course in such a way that we should rely very less on memorizing things, and we need to rely on understanding. We need to understand things, that what actually things are. So to understand what, as you know that this is a course on chemistry, so here we will try to understand the chemical reactivity. So from what is chemical reactivity, like what things makes an atom or a molecule reactive, why some atoms are more reactive and some molecules are, we say that those molecules are very much reactive, they are very much unstable, and the other are very much reactive. So we just like we say these are very strong acids, those are very strong bases. But here in the aim of this course is we need to learn that why those things or those acids, those bases, those molecules are reactive, or why those acids are very strong and the other are less. We need to compare things and we need to explain things. We need to understand the basic factor which makes something reactive, which makes the acid more acidic, which make an acid weaker acid. So we need to understand those things. Again, from the basic chemistry we are familiarized, or we are quite familiar with some terminologies like electronegativity, inductive effect, size, amount, heat, and also another thing, hybridization. So what all those things, what they have to do with the chemical reactivity, what are the effects of those things, electronegativity, the inductive effect, the hybridization, the size, the amount on a chemical reactivity. So again we need to understand those things. Okay, so when we understand things, then we can do something on our own. So as I want to repeat it, the aim of this course is to understand that how a chemical reaction occurs. So and if we understand things, we can manipulate things, or we can change things, we can do addition in those things, but the important thing is to understand them. So if you understand things, we can again, if we understand a chemical reaction, we know that suppose we understand that this is a reactant and this is the behavior of this reactant. I mean, this reactant has this reactivity and the other reactant has another reactivity. When they react together, they will produce this product. But believe me, if we understand those reactions, there will be one thing. Okay, if you understand all the things critically, so we can change the course of a reaction. What does the course of a reaction mean? We can increase the amount of one product. In majority of the cases, the reaction produced 2 or 3 products, but we require one product. But if you understand what is happening inside the RB, round bottom flask, or in a reaction mixture, so then we can change the course of a reaction. We can get our desired product. So we can, suppose we have 3 products like A, B, C. If a reaction, some reaction, this R is for reaction, it gives 3 products A, B and C, and we just want the product B. But suppose the reaction which we run, it gives this product in 20% yield or amount, it is in 20%, but we want this product only. So if we understand that what is happening in that chemical reaction, we can increase this amount. So how we will be doing this, you will understand that, because it's a little bit moderate course or a little bit advanced course than that on the basic concepts of chemistry. So you will we can achieve that, but the one thing which is conditional is that we need to understand a chemical reaction. We need to look critically to each reactant, that how it behaves and how it will react. So first we need to understand the reactions of those, then the reactants or products and the conditions applied to the reaction. If we understand them, then we can change or manipulate some conditions, reagents or some other things in order to get our desired products. So if we understand the chemical reaction, really, believe me, we can increase the product, this react ratio, to almost 80% or 90%. And that is the basic aim or the purpose of this course, that we need to understand the chemical reactivity. So thank you very much.